Okay, that last video was a little on the long side, so this one we're going to use those rules. And again, we have 3 rules. It's basically 2 rules, and then one of them can be used on either side of the triangle. So if I look at this first one, first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the initial rule, which is that the altitude is the geometric mean of the 2 pieces of the hypotenuse. So if I want to find x, I can say x equals the square root of 2 times 5. All right, 2 times 5 is 10, and root 10 does not simplify. So at that point, we have that piece done. All right, now the next one, all right, we want to find z. And we know that z is the geometric mean of the piece below it and the entire length, which is 7 here. All right, so we're going to say that z equals the square root of 5 times 7, which is root 35. So that doesn't simplify, so we're stuck with root 35. So z equals root 35. All right, now we want to get y, and y is going to be a very similar rule, but it's on the other side of the triangle. So this leg is the geometric mean of the segment of the hypotenuse under it and the full hypotenuse. So y equals the square root of 2 times the full length 7. So y is root 14. All right, none of these simplify, so those are our 3 answers. Now remember, this is in place of writing this out as 3 separate similar triangles and then trying to draw the connections between those. All right, so if I look at example 3 is more practice with the same thing. So I look for a starting spot, and it looks like I have a lot of choices here, but I'm going to go with the altitude is the geometric mean of the 2 segments of the hypotenuse. So root 3 equals the geometric mean of y and 1. All right, I'll square both sides, so I get 3 equals y, and I've got my y value. All right, now I'm going to bring that back onto my picture, so it's there to work with. All right, and now I know, as I look at this, the x, all right, this leg is the geometric mean of the piece below it and the full hypotenuse, which is a length 4. So x equals the geometric mean of 1, the segment underneath, times the full length of the hypotenuse, which is 4. So we have root 4, which is 2. All right, so our x value in this case is 2. All right, so again, those are just 2 quick examples that use the properties from the first page. And again, its altitude is the geometric mean of the 2 segments of the hypotenuse. And then one leg is the geometric mean of the segment of the hypotenuse under the leg and the full hypotenuse. All right, hope that helps. Good luck on tonight's homework. Bring your questions tomorrow. It is a day 2. This takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's really a shortcut compared to what we did last chapter, where we were always trying to find the 3 similar triangles in a picture like this. Now, I have to stress one big thing that I haven't hit on too much yet, and that is this only works if we're dealing with a right triangle for the big triangle, and the line segment that's drawn in the middle is the altitude, so it has to make a right angle with the hypotenuse. All right, hope that helps. Have a great day.